On the second day of his Gujarat visit, Prime Minister Narendra Modi held a meeting with UN Secretary General Mr. Antonio Guterres today at Kevadia. Union Minister of Education Dharmendra Pradhan has launched a draft of National Credit Framework for public consultation. Indian nationals have been advised against travelling to Ukraine in view of the deteriorating security situation and recent escalation of hostilities across the country. National Investigation Agency NIA has conducted raids at 2 locations in Varanasi, Uttar Pradesh and Delhi and arrested a highly radicalized operative in ISIS Voice of Hind module case. More than 219 crore 46 lakh vaccine doses have been administered in the country so far under the nationwide COVID-19 vaccination drive.